You want to say what's up to YouTube?
What up, YouTube?
Alright guys, so today I'm going to be making a POV, also known as a persistence of vision, not a point of view. So you got your lithium ion battery, your receptors, your LEDs, that's just the switch, battery holder, indicators, the microprocessor. Alright guys, we're gonna hold because it's lunchtime and I'm hungry. So I'll get back in about 30 minutes. Alright guys, back from lunch. Where are my glasses at? Because I need those. Hey, who y'all talking about? Yeah.
Making another one?
Yeah. Say what's up to YouTube.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? Yo.
Y'all, what were y'all talking about that made you think like this?
No, bro. No.
Like, how do you know?
No, we were just talking about the haircut and just the way she was looking at me. I could just tell, bro. I seen it, bro. I just seen it, bro. Like, sometimes, like, you won't even interact with a girl, but y'all just be looking at each other, and then sometimes you just have that feeling that she like you type of thing. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
This guy's just yapping for the camera right now. Okay, so if you don't know how to solder, I'm going to try to tell you real quick. Basically, you just use the pen, which is what's in my right hand, and the solder, which is in my left. You're just going to use the pen to press up against the metal piece that's on the board and use the solder to kind of go around that and hold it for maybe 3, maybe 4 seconds. Yeah. And then there's these 2 pictures here. You can pause the video if you didn't understand what I was saying. Now we finally finished this part, which is the LED and receptors. Alright, me again, one last time. Just wanted to say thank you for watching. Hopefully you're having a good day, good night, good morning, whenever you're watching this. Hopefully it wasn't too boring for you, and hopefully you learned something along the way. But that's it for me. I'll see you. Now you have 2 more things. You have to put the battery in and the microprocessor. Alright, just like that. It's on. Say what's up to... That's my YouTube. Say what's up. So it's gonna be hard to see, but this is like a binary code explainer, I guess. It basically tells you what every letter is, uppercase and lowercase, and then there's some numbers and some characters at the end here, like a smile, a heart, hashtag, pound key, star, question marks, and at. Alright, so that's gonna be it. That was just pretty much how to make a POV, and I'll program it in another video. It'll be a really short video because once you know it, and it's not that difficult. But yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.